do it. Hey guys, welcome back. Ready for another episode of Super Slime?
No, we didn't record though. Should we post the last one even though we didn't even get to finish it because she accidentally stopped it from recording?
And you guys, it involves this guy, the bad slime.
That's a bad one. No!
I put the camera in it.
No!
And Super Slime! Okay, Super Slime.
And my face.
And,
People's face.
let's get into the video.
Fingers were on the...
Why did it turn red, you guys?
Your fingers are on the camera.
To orange to yellow to red. Okay.
It's because
So it involves this guy, that guy, and that guy. Okay, let's just get onto it. Let's just get to it.
Okay.
La 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 la.
He's singing 7 years.
Super Slime! Help me, I'm stuck!
Thank you.
Thank you, Super Slime! I love you! Bye-bye!
Bye. Dead. We did not practice.
Okay,
that
so-
at all.
So, you guys, we'll see you in the next video of Super